Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu. There is a lot to cover and you guys can just see from the chart we are about to break an all-time high again. Now the chart it is forming, it seems to be having an extreme bull run and might follow with a 90% gain. There's a lot to cover, but before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video just to show everyone how strong the Shiba Inu army is. Let's go for 121 likes. If we smash that would be incredible. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first and most of all, I want to tell you guys something very exciting. So you guys know the whales are starting to buy into Shiba Inu quite a bit from the past 48 hours. A very big whale decided to buy in about 2 hours ago, buying 300 billion Shiba Inu tokens in one transaction. Now that is an insane transaction and probably is reflected in the past 5 hours of the chart it is starting to form. Now keep in mind, in the past 48 hours you guys can see we are on a very strong uptrend, and this uptrend does not look like it is going to be slowing down anytime soon, because if we look at the last 5 hours you can see that the lower low was much higher than the last lower low, forming an obvious uptrend, and the same thing is happening with the higher high. It just keeps going up. At the moment when I'm recording this video we are close to 0.000048, or personally like to just say 48, it's much easier. And you need to remember this is an all-time high and we are about to keep forming supports. Keep in mind these pullbacks and the small consolidation periods which are occurring, this is really good, because what happens is once the bull run comes to an end, you guys will be able to go ahead and use this as a very strong support level. So when the bull run happens, let's say we go to 55, 56, after that whenever there is a small pullback because the whale decides to pull out as they want to take profit. Now if that happens, what will happen is the coin will start coming down, and if there is no consolidation period that has formed in this location, what will happen is we will keep crashing all the way down until we get all the way to 40, and we do not want that. So these consolidations will just help us in the future as a support when Robinhood decides to put out a news saying, hey, Shiba Inu can now be traded on Robinhood. There might be a small spike down. You guys know in crypto usually what happens is people would like to buy on rumors and sell on news. So there might be a small spike down, and if there is a support that has formed close to 48, we will be able to play off that and start building back up. At the moment we can see that all the buy orders that are coming in just clearly hint towards the fact that the uptrend is not slowing down for at least another 5 to 6 days. Now that is an insane period of time for you to make a lot of profit, and at the same time it is a lot of volatility. At the same time, another thing which a lot of people are starting to forget is the trading volume on Shiba Inu right now is insane. It's more than Ethereum and it was last 24 hours. So be very careful, because this can be a lot of different things that can happen. You guys can see the channel is also showing a very strong uptrend, and in the RSI line at the moment we're back in the middle zone. So the middle zone is where we like to stay, because when we stay in that location we will get some more time to cool off and start climbing back up. So overall at the moment the chart seems to be looking pretty fresh and really good for us to play off, and if there is a small consolidation period for another 12 hours I will be personally very happy, and I'm pretty sure after listening to what I was trying to say you guys will be pretty happy, because we do need a strong support at 48. Keep in mind that we are in an all-time high in exploration, so we do not have a support to play off, so forming some on the way of the bull run would be a really good option. Now talking about something very interesting that was posted by Bloomberg. Now Bloomberg is starting to take into account that Shiba Inu is getting big. Shiba Inu surges to record as Robinhood petition passes 300,000. This is growing like 10,000 every single day. There is a lot of people that want Shiba Inu to be accepted on Robinhood and be added into the portfolio. It has close to 330,000 100,000 signatures, and they have gone up close to 100,000 just in the past 3 days. So that is just insane, and this shows how much power Robinhood actually holds at the moment, because if they decide to add Shiba Inu, there will be so many more potential buyers that will walk into the market. And you guys know, when you see a small amount coin like 0.00048, you just seem to notice that maybe you will be able to make more profit from that compared to something like Bitcoin, which is already on $63,000. When you buy $100 worth, it's like 0.0001 Bitcoin. Here you have it. On the other hand, Shiba Inu just seems like something you can make a lot of profit off. So a lot of people are excited to see this, and I'm personally very excited to see the chart when Robinhood decides to make the announcement. Most likely it will be by the end of this month, and only 5 days left, so let's just see and wait and watch. Now moving on, MarketWatch today came out with a very interesting study show. Shiba Inu is the third most googled crypto in 2021. I mean, in the past 30 days we've gone up 600%. So if you put in $100, that $100 would be $600 at the moment. So it's going up pretty quick. Shiba Inu is the third most searched cryptocurrency, a new study shows, as the meme coin climbs to an all-time high. It has 2.8 million searches on average per month in 2021. That's a lot of people trying to look up Shiba Inu and try to figure out what is happening. This is really good because more people trying to figure it out, more people deciding to buy into it, more investment, more price, and we all make profit. Moving on, Mint decided to come out with an article as well. Shiba Inu surges to a record high. Here's why the crypto is surging. And in this, they decide to talk about how there's a rumor that Robinhood will be adding Shiba Inu to their portfolio, and at the same time the big spike started after Elon's tweet. Now keep in mind, this is really good for all the small altcoins and the meme tokens, because what will happen is when the big meme tokens such as Dogecoin or Shiba Inu start climbing up, it just helps the smaller one to start climbing as well, and it just helps out a lot. So overall, I'm personally very happy to see this, and I'm just personally very excited what will happen in the future in Shiba Inu. Now moving on, this is very interesting. Stormgain is actually one of those trading platforms such as Nexo or Binance, anything you want to call it, and they just put out a Halloween game that you are able to play, and when you do play you get 5 USDT, so just $5 for free, and it is actually a Shiba game, and it's very similar to the concept of Squid Game. If you guys have seen that show, personally I have seen it. It's really good, and they just made a game that's very similar, and I'm personally very excited to see what happens. And giving out $5 for free, hey, why wouldn't I want to go ahead and play it? Finally, I just want to go ahead and show you guys the bull run that might be accumulating very soon. Shiba Inu enters a 96% bull run as whales continue accumulating Shiba. Ethereum whale bought 11.5 million worth of Shiba tokens on Tuesday. Shiba Inu token has reached 790,000 holders. A large wallet investor accumulates Shiba Inu through the dip. Shiba was briefly the cryptocurrency with the largest turnover on exchanges Binance and Coinbase on Monday. Larger than Bitcoin, they're talking. So it's crazy. Personally, I'm just excited to see where we end off. Honestly, it's starting to look very, very scary and crazy at the same time. That's out of the way. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, drop a like on. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.